just a tiny kitten, clinging to a pole, surrounded by rushing water, alone, cold, helpless. Would you stop if you saw him? Most people walked by, but one person chose to reach out. One small act of kindness that would change his life forever. Soaked to the bone, shivering, weak, he had almost given up, but with gentle hands, warmth, and safety, hope began to return. Every day was a battle, but with food, care, and patience, his strength grew. His little eyes began to shine again. Soon, the scared kitten who clung to life turned into a playful, curious, and loving soul. A life once forgotten, now full of joy. Now he isn't just surviving, he's thriving. And it all started with one choice: to stop and help. Subscribe for more rescues, and share this story to inspire kindness.